Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Brittany and thank you so much for tuning in. I am the owner of 921 Boutique. You can find us on Instagram. I'll leave it down below at 920_1, and we're on Facebook as well. And I'll leave the links to everything down below, and also so you can check out my website and shop with your girl. But anyway, today we are going to be talking about how do I ship my orders for my boutique. I currently use Shopify. That was the platform that looked like it would go with what I needed. So, and to help me shipping out my orders, I do use ShipStation. Hopefully you guys can learn something from this video. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, like I was saying, I use Shopify, and to help me ship out the orders, you can use Shopify to create your labels. Currently, I use ShipStation. So if you've been doing a lot of research, then you've probably heard of ShipStation. If you haven't, it's just another way, another tool, another app that helps you get your labels together and get your items shipped out. Another pro for using ShipStation, if you're selling on multiple platforms, say Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, having ShipStation, all your orders come into ShipStation. Okay, like I said, I have ShipStation. I don't know how long I'll have it, but that's what ShipStation is helpful for. So I do have an order tonight that I'm going to be fulfilling. Someone ordered the It's All Good set. And let's see, so that's how it kind of looks. So that is this set right here. It's a 2-piece. Yes, summer vibes.
And it's too cute.
Too cute. So what I do first, I go grab whatever the item is. If it's in a package, I rip the item out the package. Not rip it out, but take it out of the package, and I look it over. I make sure there isn't no rips, no tears, or making sure everything is intact. Make sure everything is good. I fold it. I do my tag in here. So I have a tagging gun, and I'm going to put my tag in there. I'm going to show you what my tags look like. There you go. So that's what my tags look like, and I just use this section to write the size on there. Hey, that's what I do. I created these tags on Vistaprint. I'm going to show you again. Just has my logo. There you go. Looks much better. It has my logo, and then I just write the size. My tagging gun, I got it from Amazon. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to...
That needle, y'all, that needle is very pointy, so make sure you guys are careful.
So I'm just going to stick a hole through there, and then I'm going to through this white part, and I put the needle through my index finger to hold it. I'm going to do it from this side, and then I squeeze. Okay. And then you pull both of them out together.
Easy peasy. Now your tag. Now your tag is in the clothes.
The next thing I do, I make a thank you card. Okay, let me show you my thank you cards. If you guys have watched my my boutique journey, I'll link it below. You'll know where I got my cards. I got them from Amazon, and I thought they were so cute, and I wrote her a note, and it just says, thank you so much for your business, XOXO Brittany. And I put it in this card. All right, and so I close that, and then I get a label, one of my labels, as y'all see. As y'all see, business has been doing very well. All right, so that's how I close it. I just put my label on the back. And that's so pretty. All right, so then I'm just going to write on the front. I just wrote thank you. So I think the thank you cards are a nice little touch. So you have seen that. These are the bags that I will put the item in first. You can wrap it however you want. A lot of people get the decorative tissue paper to put in their items first, but I just use these clear bags to put the item in first. And these are my poly mailers, and again, I got them from Amazon, and they're so pretty. I love them because they match my thank you cards. All right, so now, like I said, since I don't use Shopify, see, Shopify is telling me that I don't know if you can see it, but it's asking me do I want to create the shipping label in there, but I don't. So, and then I also add one of these cards in here. I made these cards on Canva. Have you guys heard of Canva? If not, oh my gosh, you can do I just found out you can do your YouTube thumbnails, y'all. I just put y'all on. Have templates for Instagram stories, Facebook posts, Facebook cover photo. I mean, you can just do everything in Canva. So thank me later. But anyway, I created my own little stock card. The reason why I was covering it up is because I have see you next time saved a percentage off on your next order. Use code blah blah blah. Let's stay connected. Be sure to tag us in your photos. And then I have my Instagram and Facebook handles. Yeah. So yeah, so we got the thank you card right there. We got let's stay connected, and then I also give them a business card. These are my business cards. 921. My saying for my boutique is be a Virgo for a day. I have my website, I have my Instagram handle, my Facebook handle, and then the email, the business email on there. So I give them all that. Alright, so now I have to show you, I have to pull ShipStation up. Alright, you guys, I hope you can see. If not, I'll try to, I don't know what I'm going to do if you guys can't really see it. But anyway, this is what ShipStation looked like on my end. And I go to orders, and then I hit the refresh button, and then it says, and then all the stores that you have a pop up here. So it says update all stores, and then and then all your orders will come out here. Like I said, we just have one for today, so we are going to work that one. Everything in the clear bag. Alright, so I placed everything in the clear bag. And we are now going to weigh it and put it in here as well, just for weigh-in purposes. Alright, so this is my scale. Got it from Amazon. So far I love it. So I'm just going to put my package on there. And it says 7.2 ounces. And you always want to go up a few ounces. You don't want any packages coming back, and you definitely don't want the your customer to have to pay for anything like that. So it says 7.2 ounces, so we'll probably go up to, I'll probably do about 7.4 ounces just to be on the safe side. This is what it looks like on ShipStation. It has the item, it's all good, medium, navy, and green. And then you have your information over here as far as shipping. So this will be shipping from my P.O. box. And then right here we are going to add, I got this covered up down here because it has her information, it has her name. So let's see. So it is 7.2, but we said I'm going to do 7.4 ounces. The services, we are going to do a USPS first class, and package will be my poly mailer. So I'm just going to hit that first one, which is package. And let me see if I can move this down. So the rate is $3.22. That is going to charge me to ship it. Delivery time 3 days. And then the next thing, it says create label. I'm trying to see what's the next item. Ordered 1 item. And then I think the next thing is her name. Alright, so let's see if that'll stay right there. Alright, so now I am going to create label. Alright, so this will tell me total required $3.22 to ship. It tell me how much I have. My balance, looks like my balance is $6.66. Ooh, we have to change that balance. Add additional funds, results in balance. Alright, so since I have some money in the bank, we are going to, so the label has printed off. And a good thing that I like about ShipStation is that it gives me that bottom label. I love that bottom label because it has my logo on there. It has their information as what they purchased, and it has the price, just a little summary. I just like it because it has a summary of their order that I have. It is an Epson XP640 Expression Premium. I've had this for probably about 2 years ago. Alright, you guys, so I got the label. It's a summary of her order right there. I have my thank you card. I have this Let's Stay Connected card, and then I have my business card. So I am going to flatten that out, and I'll put it in my poly mailer. That's what it's looking, is to put my label on there, and I have my tape right here. So once I put my label on there, then it will be good to go. And yes, so when you put your labels on there, make sure you, when you use your tape, yes, they do have sticky type of label paper. You can do that, but for right now, this is what I have. Make sure you guys don't put tape over the barcodes or anything like that, and you should be good to go. And then I will drop this off. I can put it in my mailbox, but I like to go take that extra step and go to the post office and actually drop it in the bin where I know that it is there. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Actually, while we were talking, while I was shipping that one off camera, I had got another order, you guys. So it looks like I'm gonna try to show you guys. Alright, you guys, I had to move to my cell phone, but it's okay. But I just want to let you guys know that that summed up the video on how I ship my orders. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you have any questions on something I didn't cover, please leave your questions down in the comment section, and I will try my best to reply and let you know. But yeah, I showed you guys what I use, what program I use to ship my orders. And while I was videotaping, I actually got another order for the same thing. So I am about to, once I wrap this up, I'll start that order so I can get them both off tomorrow. But yeah, but thank you so much for rocking with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and become part of our family. Watch our vlogs, and then like I said, I'm gonna be spicing some boutique knowledge up in, in some of these videos. All right, I will talk to you guys later. See you on the next